Hey guys, Brian Sean here, and welcome to this video training on how to make money as an affiliate with Warriorplus. Okay, a proven method that's been working for years now. Okay, um, so the reason why I created this video is because I've got a lot of people, a lot of my coaching clients, have been asking me how do I make money with Warriorplus, how to choose a Warriorplus offer, and sometimes people from YouTube as well are asking. I'm getting questions about Warriorplus quite a bit. Okay, so that's why I'm creating this video, and I want to keep this short and simple and sweet so that you can just digest it in like 5 minutes or less. Okay, so let's get started. So the three simple steps to start making money with a Warriorplus. Okay, the first step is obviously to choose a high converting Warriorplus offer. Step number two is create the simple affiliate funnel, and step number three is to buy solo ads, which are basically email traffic. Okay, and you pay per click. Okay, and the reason why I love Warriorplus because tons of Warriorplus offers high converting offers that give you 90-100% commission on the front end, sometimes even the one-time offers, and all the way to the back end. Okay, and from my experience, they are much better than ClickBank products. Okay, so yep, that's the reason why I actually love Warriorplus. Now let's move on here. So some tools that you need to get this thing working. First up, you need a squeeze page to collect emails. Number two is a get autoresponder. For this training, I recommend actually Aweber. Aweber has been doing well for many years now. You want to collect the list and then monetize it further. Okay. And number three is a click tracking tool, which is ClickMagick. Again, this is optional, but ideally you want to have ClickMagick because you can rotate the offers, which I'll get into in just a moment. Okay. So this is three tools that you need. So I'm going to go through each step. So step one here, choosing Warriorplus offers. Now, this is the most, in my opinion, one of the most important things to get right, okay? With Warriorplus, there's tons of offers every single day, but the one thing that you need to do is make sure the product is below $10 mark, ideally, okay, below 7 or even below 5, okay? And the product should have multiple upsells and downsells, okay? The larger the backend, the larger the sales funnel, the better for you, because from my experience, like when they buy the front end, there's a good chance of them buying the one-time offer, and that's going to give you commission as well. So, for example, if the product is $5 on the front end, and the upsell is 17, there's a good chance you might get both commission as well. And that's just the first upsell. What if they purchase the second upsell and so on? Okay, so you want to have the promoted product has multiple upsells. Okay, and number three is the product that you're going to promote must have a earnings proof and must have a sales video. Ideally, a sales video, a video showing like the proof of concept, whether the system works or not. You're going to show some earnings proof and so on. So that, from my experience, seems to work the best. Okay, and ideally some kind of presentation video on the top of the affiliate offer. Okay, and very important here as well, it must be a make money online type offer. You can't promote a graphic template or a website software. You don't want that. You want something that a complete newbie can see the training and get an idea and get started with that. So you want to promote those kinds of offers. And the good news is that with Warriorplus, there are tons of this kind of offers. Okay. And what I want you to do is I want you to find at least 5 offers. Okay, 5 different affiliate offers on Warriorplus that fits the criteria above. Okay, so I'm going to move on the next slide here. So this is a screenshot of the affiliate section on Warriorplus. So you can sign up for Warriorplus for free, and once you go to the affiliate section, you'll see something like this. Okay, and you can browse through all the offers that's selling well on the Warriorplus at this moment in time. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that it says show all offers here. Very important. Click this, and then you can see the conversion rate. And what they do by default is the Warriorplus platform actually arranges the results is going to show the one that's been selling the most, the one with the highest pulse. So I'm not sure how they calculate pulse, but it's basically saying to you like the higher the pulse, the more people are buying this stuff. Okay, the harder the product is. So that's what I do. I just choose any product that's doing well, like sell at least 500 to 1,000 copies. Okay, so from this screenshot here, okay, you want to look at the conversion rate, and then you want to look at the refund rate. Okay, so ideally you want to stick to a product. You want to promote a product that has below 5% conversion rate. Okay, and for this I've already done my research, and I chose to promote the banger method. So that's one of the offers I'm going to promote. So I'm going to choose the banger method, and I'm going to hit request here. Okay, it says the refund rate 1%, which is pretty good. But there are ways to, of course, manipulate the stats, but I'm just going to go with this for now, okay? So you hit request, and once you're approved as an affiliate, you're going to get an affiliate link which you can promote, okay? And one more thing is about the conversion rate, okay? Now, the conversion rate varies depending on your traffic source, okay? Obviously, 10 to 11% is very high, so that for every 10 people who visit the page, you're going to get one sale. From my experience, to get this kind of conversion rate is typically a buyer's list. And with the traffic we're getting, we don't necessarily get this kind of conversion rate, but it's going to still be pretty decent, okay? So go to the affiliate section, choose the offer you're going to promote, and check the sales page, click on it, see the sales page. If it's, it fits the criteria as a sales video, earnings proof, and it's below $7, $9 conversion rate, that's what you want to aim for. I mean, $7 to $9 sale, the front end product, that's what you want to go with, okay? Then hit request to get the affiliate link and choose at least 5 of those offers, okay? So that's the first step. Okay, once you do that, let's move on to step number 2. So step number 2 is actually creating the affiliate funnel, okay? So to create the funnel is very simple. The only thing you need is actually the squeeze page, okay? Now, for those of you who don't know, a squeeze page is basically a page that collects email, okay? So you have a headline and some minor graphics, and then an email field with a submit button, okay? So what you want to do before you start buying traffic is create a squeeze page, this one here. And when you buy traffic, they see a squeeze page, they enter the email, they get automatically sent to the Warriorplus affiliate offer. So you can do this using a click tracking tool, or just set it up on your autoresponder. Okay, I'm not going to go through that in this video training, but if you guys want me to do like a detailed training on this, I can do that as well. Okay, but for now, squeeze page automatically redirects to the affiliate offer. Okay, and if you're using like a click tracking tool and you've got like say 5 products, you can rotate those products. So every time the traffic comes in, you can test. Depending on how much traffic you're getting, you're gonna get to choose. Like you can allocate like say 50 clicks to the first offer, 50 clicks to the second offer, and so on. So that's gonna give you a better idea which product converts. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Squeeze page send directly to the affiliate offer. And from my experience, as a solo vendor myself, I have a huge list. I've been making money for a long time now. The moment they opt in to a squeeze page and they see an affiliate offer, that's the highest conversion rate you can get. Not versus compared to say sending a broadcast email. Okay, so yeah, this after they opt in, getting to the affiliate offer, seeing the Warriorplus offer is a good way to get high conversion rate. Okay, and now once they opt in, obviously you're gonna get a welcome email, and in the welcome email, you're just gonna write some short text thanking them for subscribing to your mailing list. Give them the freebie gift, and then on top of them, ask them to check out the affiliate offer again. Okay, so that's going to give them, it's going to give you more chances of them actually going through the sales page again, see the video, and actually make a purchase, a low commitment purchase. Okay, and as for the squeeze page, guys, what you want to do is in the headline, you want to have a very generic, very generic headline. Oh, which actually next slide I mentioned. Yeah. So what's in the squeeze page? Okay, so your squeeze page, you want to ideally have a simple generic make money online type of headline. So an example here is what I will write is discover a proven way to make money online with this one simple trick, and enter your email below to check that trick out or whatever. Okay, so the headline will go here, and the moment they land here, ideally you only want to have one single field. You don't want to collect names because it's going to reduce the conversion rate. You want to just collect emails. So collect emails. There's an email field, and they hit submit. After they hit submit, they get automatically redirected to the affiliate offer. Okay. Now, here's the thing: because you're promoting multiple offers and you're gonna keep changing offers from time to time, you don't want to change your squeeze page headline to reflect the offer you're promoting. Okay, because you want to almost set and forget kind of work. You don't want to identify your squeeze page to the affiliate offer, because like I said, you're going to be changing offers from time to time, so you want to keep the headline as generic as you can. And trust me, guys, this thing works. Most of the time, when you're buying solo ad traffic, they are going to they get so many offers. They get clicked the moment they read the headline, they enter the email, they see the sales page, they forgot about your squeeze page. That's from my experience. Okay, so don't be too critical about your headline or anything like that. As long as you can get high opt-in rate, say 100 clicks, you get 30 to 50% opt-in rate, you're good to go. Okay. And for those of you who are asking why send it directly to the squeeze page, is why not send it directly to the affiliate offer? Now, the reason why we do this is because, number one, solo ad vendors, when you're buying traffic, they want to send a squeeze page. That's how they've been. That's how what solo ad vendors want. Because I'm a solo ad vendor myself, I will not promote directly to an affiliate offer. I want to send the traffic to a squeeze page. Okay, so you got to do that. Number two is because when you collect the emails, when they enter the squeeze page, they opt in, they get into your list, which you can make more money in the long run. Okay, that's your main goal. Okay, so that's the squeeze page. Moving on. So step number 3 here is to buy solo ads. So once you got the affiliate offer up and running, okay, the next step is to buy solo ads. So the one place I recommend is to buy solo ads from Udemy Marketplace, and again, the link is in the description right below this video. So you want to when you sign up for Udemy, it's 100% free. You're gonna get a $5 credit, and you want to start browsing solo ad vendors to buy traffic from. Okay, so how solo ads work is that you actually you pay per click, and then typically the packages start from 50 click package all the way to 1,000 clicks. Okay, and ideally you want to start with the lowest price point. I believe is at 0.30 price per click. So if you buy 50, you can start with like 50 clicks first to 100 clicks per solo ad vendor. Okay, which I'm going to get into in just a moment. And the second thing you want to check for is the tier 1 traffic. So tier 1 traffic is traffic from countries from English-speaking countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. This will be the country with the highest conversion rates. Okay, so ideally you want to aim for 80-90% traffic. You can check all the stats when you're browsing through the Udemy Marketplace. Okay, and number 3 here is you want to buy clicks from a solo ad vendor that has at least 20 testimonials and had some sales on the testimonials. So you can actually browse through the testimonials, and sometimes the customers will say, "Oh, I've made sales with this particular offer, and with this vendor, and so on." So that's what you want to do. Okay, now moving on. All right, so this is a screenshot here of the Udemy Marketplace. So what you want to do is go to Find Sellers. Okay, you click on that, and then you can choose the price range. So I'm going to start with 35 cents per click. Click on that, and then you can see the listings here. So for example, this guy named Joe, he's selling at 35 cents per click. Okay, and he's from all his testimonials, like a 31 rating so far. Okay, no sales are made. So that's kind of someone you want to avoid buying traffic from. Okay, whereas Igor, on the other hand, he's 19 ratings so far, 35 cents per click, and 30% of the ratings gave a sale. Okay, so people actually make money with his traffic. So that's what you want to go for. I would definitely, for starters, find someone like Igor at 35 cents and buy 50 to 100 clicks. Okay, so go with that. And when you make a purchase, all you have to do is just provide him your squeeze page link, and he will do the rest. Okay, you don't need to provide your affiliate link. I'm sorry, your swipe or anything like that. They, as a vendor, they know what to do. Okay, so all you have to do right now is rinse and repeat. Okay, you have to just wait for the traffic to be delivered and monitor your stats and conversions. Again, start with 50 to 100 clicks, and then step 2 here is to buy traffic from multiple different solo ad vendors. Okay, and number 3, test different offers from Warriorplus. Okay, so if you're depending on how big your how much traffic you're buying, you want to ideally give at least 100 to 200 clicks per offer before you decide to move on to the next offer. Okay, so like for myself, I have a lot of incoming clicks. I can try as many offers as I like, but for you guys, you want to stick to maybe try 50 clicks first or 100 clicks first, and then move on to the next page. And with certain click tracking tools, which I'm not going to get into in this video, you can rotate the offer from time to time using the feature in the click tracking tool. Okay, but if you don't have that, don't worry. You just create one affiliate offer, you stick with that, and then you can just change it on the fly whenever you need to. Okay, so just rinse and repeat. The simple strategy. Now, ultimately, when you do this, you're building your list. So that's the most important thing. Okay, you're not only do you make money from Warriorplus, there's a good chance of you making money from Warriorplus, you're also building a list to make money in the long run. Okay, not many people understand this. They just think of like making money with Warriorplus and then and hope to just repeat this without actually building lists. You need to build a list. That's why you need to send traffic to your squeeze page. You're gonna make more money in the long run. Okay, and with your list, you can monetize for a long time. Okay, what I normally teach my coaching clients as well is once they get a list, they ad swap or ClickBank, and what this ad swapping does is that you can swap clicks with another list builder. So when you do that, you grow your list and you get incoming clicks as well, which means you're gonna make money doing so. Okay. And then number two, you get promote affiliate offers. Same thing, you can broadcast affiliate offers to your list and make money with that for a very, very long time. From my experience, okay, and ultimately as well, if you like, you can start selling solo ads if your list is big enough. So really, it's a strategy that works time and time and time again. I've been doing this. I've been in the make money online marketing stuff since 2009, and the strategy has worked since I started back in 2010. Okay, it's not changed. It's still working in 2018. Okay, and it will work for a very long time. I don't see any other strategies that as powerful as this one. It's so simple, and people really overcomplicate stuff. Really, okay. You don't need to. All you need to get traffic, get a proper funnel, repeat, and start making money. Okay. All right. So just a quick final recap. Your squeeze page, they opt in, single email, a simple headline, opt in, get sent to the affiliate offer, which is a Warriorplus affiliate offer. Your welcome email have a simple text with your affiliate link as well to the Warriorplus offer, and then just buy traffic, which is solo ads. Okay. And here's my closing thoughts. The first thing you need to keep in mind is that you don't need to heavily pitch the affiliate offer in your welcome emails. Okay, the sales page of the affiliate offer should do the job of converting the visitors into a customer. If you follow my criteria for searching the high converting affiliate offers, okay, you don't even need to pitch anything. The sales video will do the job of converting visitors to buyers. Okay, and again, I mentioned before, no need for email swipes because the solo ad vendor knows what's best. They're going to give you the highest amount of clicks for using their swipes. And guys, if you want to sign up to Udemy, just sign up free below and get your first $5 off your solo ad purchase. Or if you like, you can also buy traffic from my sites, okay? And all the links I mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Okay, and guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it's a very simple video, but if you guys want me to go in detail, like the squeeze page, or actually choosing offer, actually do a live run, or something like that, let me know in the comment section below, or send me an email. And if I get a lot of interest on this, I will definitely create a video, because I've done it many times, and a lot of my students as well, they've made money with Warriorplus using the same strategy I just laid out for you. It's very simple. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon.